Good morning, fishermen! Happy Halloween! Today's Thursday, October 31st, 2013. We're over here at San Ann River Lake and the Mount Lassen. Huge truck filled with those exotic, rare beauties, lightning trout. We have a whole truckload of both lightning trout and those tasty Sierra bow trout. Remember, here at San Ann River Lake, boat rentals are half price, guys, so take advantage of it. It's a limited time offer. All right, guys, we're hooking up the first tank here at San Ann River Lake.
All right, guys, happy Halloween. We got a very spooktacular stocking for you guys. Tons and tons of huge fish. We got some teenage lightning trout as well, guys. 3 to 8 pounders. Fish are progressively getting bigger with each stocking. Week after week, fish are going to be getting bigger and bigger. Nice. All right, second tank, there they go. Whoa! Woo! We got some big ones.
Dang! They're rocketing out of there. Nice, guys, nice. Lightning trout! Oh! All right, guys, hooking up the next tank here, tank 3.
All right, guys, third tank. Big fish, lightnings, big lightnings. I don't even know what else to say, man. Huge fish going in. Very first big fish, and they are lightning trout.
Oh, more lightning. Oh, nice lightning. Nice.
Very first big fish of the season, and they're lightning. Yeah.
Oh. Nice. Look at him go. All right, guys, we just hooked up tank number 4.
All right, guys, that was incredible. That last tank was amazing. Big lightning trout going in there, up to 8 pounders. Teenagers, man, woo! Nice, now we're talking. Still continues to stock, tons and tons of these fish going in.
Here we go! fish. These are beautiful Sierra bows, guys. That was a lot of fish. All right, guys, we're over here at Corona Lake now, over by the private boat launch ramp. We have a whole bunch of those exotic lightning trout going in right now. Over towards by the dam, Mount Lassen, exotic lightning trout and Sierra bows, thousands of them. All right, guys, we have hooked up tank 1, Corona Lake.
All right, guys, over here at Corona Lake, hooked up the very first tank. We got some teenagers coming up too. There we go.
It's a lot of fish.
Ooh, yeah! There we go.
Holy moly! Nice size, 5-pounder. Oh man, that's a nice one.
Yeah, buddy. Look at the chunk on that one. There we go.
All right, Corona Lake, tank 2, guys, hooked up.
All right, second tank hooked up over here at Corona Lake. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. There's the lightning. There we go. Whoa, lightning!
Lightning trout! Oh man! Oh, nice size lightning! Oh, beautiful!
Huge teenager!
Exciting! Oh man, fighters! Woo! Look at that! Go, buddy, go! Alright guys, we've just hooked up the next tank. Corona Lake, tank 3.
Whoa, whoa, big lightning. All right, third tank hooked up over here at Corona Lake, man. Woo! That big old lightning almost jumped in my lap. There we go.
Big lightning. That's a lot of beautiful fish. This is a big stocking. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Holy moly! Nice size. Oh, beautiful big lightning.